he got a new iPad, 2019 latest model, but you haven't protected yet. So you're still looking for something that's not too heavy, not too light, but yet very durable. It'll protect your investment. Well, Supcase. Yeah. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro by Supcase. Check out the video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next video. Today we are unboxing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. Well, there's not much to unbox. There was just a few instructions and this box and a thank you card. But let's get on with it. This is the front part of the case. It's a two-part system. This snaps onto the front part of your iPad, and then what you do is you place it in the rubber part, the second part, and you snap on the covers or the corners around, and then the little rubber edges snap into these grooves along the edge of the front part of the two-piece system. Features: well, it has these little grooves where you snap in the front of the iPad, and then over here is the back side of the clip. So there's the clip, and well, not really the clip, with the kickstand. So the kickstand is all just regular plastic with swivels, and there's a little notch over here where it just clicks. You see that again? Clicks, and then you have your little kickstand for viewing your streams, or playing games, or whatever you like to do with the kickstand. So what else? Snaps in, very low profile there. On the inside it's rubber. I think it's rubber. No, it's like a plastic, but it has a honeycomb pattern to it. It has a rubberized feel to it. At least the little honeycomb shapes does. It is actually okay. I have to flip it around. There's the camera hole, right? No, that's the mic. That's the mic hole. Then we got your little rubber protector for your 3.5 jack, audio jack. Camera hole on this side. You can see that here. The little cutout here. Camera. That's a mic. And then on the bottom side, you have your lightning port protector, so it won't get dusty. And then you got your little speaker cutouts here. So let's start off with the front part and snap that in. So make sure you're holding your iPad facing you, like you use it, with the button at the bottom, camera on top, right? And then same thing here, it'll go like this, right? The cutout for the button, and then your camera cutout on top. Alright, so what you do, you flip it over, you snap on these corners here, then you come down to the bottom, snap that in, and then snap that one in, and that's, you're halfway done. Just like that. Just make sure everything is snapped in, looks good. And then again, you want to insert in the corner here, right? And over here. And then once you do that, you can just take your thumbs, that's what I like to do right here at the bottom, and just push it in here. And sometimes you have to pull this part here where the speaker cutout is, and it'll snap right in. And you just roll your finger there, bam, 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 bam. See, this is what I was talking about. This rubber wraps around inside the little groove, and just keep rolling it around until it fits in perfectly around. Just double check that. Turn this off and cover your ports right there. It fits perfect. And over here, fits perfectly fine. Yep, so that's it. That's all to it. It's very sturdy, I'll tell you that much. It's hard plastic. The rubber is very thick and durable. But yeah, I haven't done a drop test, and I probably won't because I just got it. So yeah, so far so good. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that notification bell and you like and you subscribe. I'll be putting videos right over here.